We're just on the east side of this little rain shower. Looks clear to the south of us where we're heading. We were originally going to skirt to the west, but we had this rain, so we deviated a little bit. There's a lake way out in front of us on our nose. That should be the lake we're heading for. Just coming up to the town of Gravenhurst. And that's where our Class D airspace is. We're going to stay a good 5 miles to the east.